Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. For today's video, we are going to walk you through the step-by-step process on how to connect Squarespace to Square with Zapier. But before we dive into all of it, make sure you hit the subscribe button below and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest content. Now, connecting Squarespace to Square can give you a lot of advantages. Why? Because it would allow you to automate the transfer of data between these two platforms. For example, you can automatically create customer records in Square when someone submits a form on your Squarespace website, right? Now, the integration streamlines your workflow by reducing manual data entry. It ensures that data is consistent and accurate between both platforms. With Squarespace and Square connected through Zapier, you can efficiently manage customer information, track orders, and monitor sales. And thus, it can save you time, reduce the chances of errors when transferring data manually. So, you can save your money by improving your operational efficiency. You can tailor the integration to your specific needs because a Zapier allows you to define how data will be mapped and which triggers and actions should be set up. So what we are going to do right now is go here at the zapier.com apps, search for Squarespace integrations. So if you've watched some of our previous videos, we always click the orange button here. So what we're going to do is to integrate Squarespace to Square. So I'm just gonna click on that. It'll take some time. All right. Now, what will happen is the first action is gonna create a trigger that's for Squarespace, and now all we gotta do is click the plus button, and that should load up our Square. There you go. Remember, Zapier offers error handling capabilities, so if something goes wrong with the integration, guys, you can you can receive alerts and address the issue promptly. All you're gonna do is contact the customer support in case we are having problems with the integration. But what's gonna happen is the Squarespace here and Square, all you're gonna do is authenticate these apps. So if you have to have your accounts ready. So verify both their accounts for Squarespace and Square and authenticate these apps. And once you've done that, Zapier will do the work for you. It will automate it and it will give you more time to focus on valuable tasks, thus giving you a peace of mind because Zapier has your back. Thank you for watching and I'll see you all in the next one.